then left the police station. If one looks at page 10 of your bundle, Exhibit MM2A, did you find the position?
I've got it, my lord.
Yes. Now, between the 2 points, from page 6, when the vehicle left the police station, until at about 6:20 and 50 seconds on page 10. Is there any indication that the vehicle deviated along that route between the 2 points? In other words, is there any indication that it left its route?
My lord, given the route or the vehicle traveling, there's no evidence that this vehicle did anything out of the ordinary except travel on the road towards its destination, where it arrived at 6:20.
Lana ke uma uhlanganisa le inkathi ke lana ngalelanga lange 19 zika June 2020 isikhathi ke 5:02 la ethi khona ke ise Benfalion bese siya lana ke kubhalwe khona ke u6:20 ngathi iyofika ke la iyakhona ke ngo 6:20 ama seconds awu 50 ngalelo langa lelo. Uthi ke abukho ubufakazi obukhona obutshengisayo noma obushoyo ke ukuthi le moto lena ke yaphambana noma yaphuma ke emzileni noma emgwaqweni kula eyayiya khona.
Okay. If I can ask you to turn to still on your exhibit bundle MM2A on the 18th of June. That will be pages 13 to 18. On page 13 of your bundle, MM2A, at 18:53 on page 13.
Got it, my lord.
On exhibit MM2 will be page 31. What is the position of the vehicle at 18:53:54 as appears on page 13 of
The
your
location
bundle?
reference, my lord, is near Murray Street, Verwoerd Park in Alberton.
Ngokwalana ke umbiko lona ke lo ozenayo ufakazi hayi lo omkhulu la inkantolo ukuthi imoto ke ngalesi sikhathi ngazo i18 zika June 2020 isikhathi u18:53 ama seconds awu 54 imoto iseduze nase Murray Street eForwood Park eAlberton.
Are you in the position to plot the exact position?
My lord,
Of the vehicle.
that position plotted reference it to a engine garage in the vicinity.
uma ngachaza eyona ndawo ke la eyaba eyayikhona ke noma eyichaza ukuthi yayikhona kwakuyi garage yakwa engine khona lapho kuleyo ndawo.
And at what point does the vehicle start moving?
My Lord, that vehicle was stationary at that particular point for the remainder of the 18 up to 23:27 when the ignition was switched off.
Imoto leyo ke yayilapho ke nje ungathi nje lela ngake lange 18 kwaze kwayoshaya ke u23:27 kusho ukuthi ke ebusuku ke kwaze kwayisikhathi la khona ke ignition iqishwa noma imoto yona ke iqishwa khona.
Only the next morning of the 19th, early morning, at around 23 minutes past 12, did the vehicle leave that point.
Isikhathi ke ngelanga ke manje elandelayo ke u0023 isikhathi ke imoto isuka ke manje khona lapho kuleyo ndawo.
That we see on page 1 of your exhibit bundle, MM2A, on the 19th.
That is correct, my Lord.
Etholakala ke lo mniningwane leyo ke ku page 1 kule yami ke ibundle.
Can you also place those seconds on record?
My Lord, the vehicle was the first time recorded speed at 23 minutes past 12 that night. It left that location of Mari Street in Verwoerd Park, Alberton.
Isikhathi ke u0023 uma imoto ke isuka ke manje laphayana ngazo i-19 zika June 2020 isuka laphayana ke eForwood Park eAlberton.
Is it correct that it's 23 minutes past 12 and 20 seconds?
That is correct, my Lord.
U20 mizuzu u23 eshayileke u12 nama seconds awu20.
And what is the total number of hours that the vehicle spent at that engine garage?
My Lord, the vehicle was there from just about 7 minutes to 7 till the 7 minutes to 7 on the 18th up to 23 minutes past 12 the next morning. So that would make it 5 hours and a number of minutes that the vehicle was in that area.
Imoto yema ke khona laphayana ngemizuzu ke ewu7 ngaphambi kokuthi kushayeke u7 ngazo i18 ka June 2020 yase ke ehamba ke uma isikhathi sithi 23 emva ko12 ke ukusho ukuthi ke amahora awu5 nemizuzu ke isikhathi eyisimile imoto lapho.
And on the last page of exhibit MM2, the A3 version, on the 24th of June.
Sorry, it's MM2.
MM2, the last page, my Lord.
Which is page what?
Page 43.
33.
43.
Sorry, 43, yeah, fine.
43, on the 24th of June. And just for record purposes, Mr. Dupree, just place the registration number of this vehicle and the BTL number.
The registration number of this vehicle is Foxtrot Victor 47 Lima Romeo Golf Papa.
In number ke ya le moto ke FV 47 LRGP.
Yes. And the bobby number would be Bravo Tango Lima 719 Bravo.
Bese kuthi ke I bobby number bese kuba BTL 719B.
And What is the position of the vehicle then on the 24th of June 2020?
My Lord, on the 24th of June, this vehicle was